In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendgrid account. This process is straightforward, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll be ready to start using Sendgrid for your email needs. First, you'll need to visit the Sendgrid website. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Sendgrid. As you arrive at their homepage, you'll see a wealth of information about their services, from email API to marketing campaigns. Spend a moment getting familiar with what they offer, especially if you're new to Sendgrid. It's always good to have a sense of what capabilities and benefits this platform can provide. Once you've landed on the homepage, your next step is to find the Start for Free button. Typically, you'll see this button very prominently displayed. Clicking on it will initiate your journey to creating a new account. The great news is this is a free option, which is perfect if you're just getting started and want to explore what Sendgrid can do without any upfront costs. After clicking Start for Free, you'll be directed to a registration page. Here, you'll be asked to fill in your details. Make sure to use a valid email address and create a secure password. Remember, your email is not just crucial for logging into Sendgrid, but it will also serve as a main communication tool, so ensure it's an email you access regularly. Once you've filled out the form with your information, you'll need to agree to their terms and conditions before proceeding. It's always recommended to have a quick look at those terms to understand how your data will be used and any policies related to Sendgrid services. It might seem tedious, but knowing these details can save you a lot of trouble down the road. After completing this initial registration form, you may be required to verify your email. If prompted, hop over to your email inbox and look for the confirmation message from Sendgrid. Clicking the provided link will verify your email address and finalize the account creation process. If you don't see it immediately, consider checking your spam folder, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully set up your Sendgrid account. From here, you can explore the dashboard and start utilizing the features Sendgrid offers, whether you're looking to integrate email services with an API or conduct email marketing campaigns. I hope this step-by-step tutorial was helpful and gave you the confidence to begin using Sendgrid. Remember, setting up is only the first step. Take some time to explore all the functionalities available to make the most of your Sendgrid experience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.